Okay, hi. I got your plan open in X10. I assume that's what you're using. Looks like you got it pretty close. Just needs to line it up a little bit better. Go back to plan. Tell you what, I'll do Shift F6. Shift F6. There we go. Move that over a little bit. And on this screen, zoom in there and go up to the second floor. Turn on the reference display. Okay. There's a reference display. Let's take this railing wall and move it over till it lines up. Okay. Same thing over here. Okay. Now you've got this, see, what do you call it? Unspecified. Okay. We need to call that a porch or a balcony. Fine, balcony. And let's see. Now we don't want wood floor on that. Let's change it to concrete. Now this is kind of ticky-tacky stuff. You can do whatever it seems right to you, but I'm just doing what I would do. Where's concrete? I think I purge some of this junk out of here. There it is. Hello. Boy, this file's really has a lot of stuff in it. It's kind of slow on my computer. Okay. Now the floor is, I guess that's okay. I think to fill this area in, and if you're doing a materials list, you wouldn't do it this way, but I'm just going to set the material to concrete instead of yada yada, whatever that other material was. I rarely ever use the materials list, so I don't worry about such things. There we go. Now we could color that white if you preferred. That should fill that floor in. Okay, now the railing will look like the picture. Now the picture is pretty far back, so I can't tell exactly what the railing looks like, but it doesn't look like wood. I'm going to go over to mules and balusters and change that to, yeah, I guess that's okay. Like a 0.5 and balusters 0.5, half an inch. And we'll get rid of the goofy looking balusters, make them square. And now the rails, we don't need that there. So, well, that's okay. I'm going to make it 1 inch by 1 inch. And over on rail style, I want it to be post to rail instead of the way you had it. And mules and balusters, let's see. Yeah, make that square. So it looks like metal. Now I need to go back to rails and get the bottom rail and make it kind of fit the rest of it. So it looks like a metal railing. That's all I'm going for. That's what it looks like in the picture. Then you go over to materials. Oh, why is that grayed out? Let this Oh, I see. It's messing up that shutter. Well, you have to put a library browser shutter there because it's too close to a wall, and that's what's doing it. So that's another problem caused by lining all this up. And it's still not filled in for some reason. I don't. Maybe we need to build framing. I doubt it, but I think what I'd be more inclined to do would be just let's see, yeah, there it is. I'm going to draw a 2D polyline there, line it up a little bit better, convert it to a slab. And we'll make that 13 inches thick. And the height on it, I would guess, I could find out, but I'm going to guess it is, let's say some outrageous figure like 20 feet. Yeah, there it is up there. We'll grab that slab. It's bumping into something. Let me see if it's got bumping characteristics set on it. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, I'm just going to transform replicate it downward, minus 12 inches. That's about where that needs to go. Yeah, okay. I'm going to lower it just a little bit more with the arrow keys. Okay. Now the only thing left is I couldn't get the materials, so I'm going to go over here to plan materials and see if we have black, color black. Yeah, there we go. You need to kind of zoom in, whoops, for this kind of, whoops. It doesn't want to go where I want to go. Okay. That'll just get the rail. So I'm going to set it to object mode. And then click on it again. That should get everything on that rail wall as black. You have to do each wall separately this way. Well, this plan's really slow on my computer. But my computer is in need of an upgrade, so I guess that's not all that unusual. I have a 6-core, but it's several years old. And I only have 8 gigabytes of RAM. I need to get more RAM. There we go. Now I think that looks more like, now if you have a better picture, then perhaps, you know, we might need to change this to something a little more, and I think this would look better, this slab thing that I put there instead of concrete. Let's make it white. Leave the floor concrete, but make, oh, what's that? Let's see, I'm trying to get out of, well, it goes over there, but it's not covering it up. Might have to make my little slab object here a little bit larger. See if I can select it. Well, I don't want that. I'm going to hit the C key and concentrically make it larger. Okay, I cleaned it up some. I think that looks better than it did. And whether or not that's the look you're going for, that's a way. And of course, that shutter is going to have to be placed manually from the library browser because of the incidence of the wall. For some reason, it's not affecting this one, but it is affecting this one. And you can move the window, but maybe the window's where you need it. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.